Welcome. We're here to dissect three critical functions shaping modern software organizations: DevOps, site reliability engineering, and platform engineering. This isn't about which is best, but about understanding their distinct roles and how they collaborate to create a high-performing system in 2025 and beyond. At the heart of this discussion is a classic engineering tension. Development teams are incentivized to ship features quickly, introducing change and potential instability. Operations teams are tasked with keeping the system stable, which often means resisting change. This friction, if unmanaged, slows value delivery and creates organizational silos. Each of these disciplines is a strategic attempt to resolve this core conflict. First, let's be precise. DevOps is not a job title. It's a cultural philosophy. It's the foundational idea that you break down silos by merging development and operations. The goal is to create shared ownership of the entire application lifecycle. The mantra, "You build it, you run it," is powered by a toolchain that enables automation, particularly through CI/CD pipelines. It's the why and the how before we get to specific roles. If DevOps is the philosophy, SRE, or Site Reliability Engineering, is an opinionated, data-driven implementation of that philosophy. SREs apply software engineering principles to operations problems. Their entire world revolves around a negotiated contract for reliability, the Service Level Objective, or SLO. This allows them to manage risk quantitatively using an error budget, a budget for acceptable downtime, which dictates the pace of new releases. Now enter platform engineering. This is a newer response to the increasing complexity of cloud-native systems. As "you build it, you run it" became the norm, developers were saddled with immense cognitive load, managing Kubernetes, CI/CD, observability, and more. A platform team's job is to reduce this load by building and maintaining a cohesive internal developer platform, or IDP, that provides self-service, reusable tools, and paved golden paths for engineering teams. Let's put them side by side. DevOps is the overarching culture that encourages collaboration and speed. SRE is a role focused intensely on production operations, reliability, and incident response, acting as the guardian of the SLOs. Platform engineering is a different role, focused inward on the developer as its customer. Their product is the platform that makes the DevOps culture scalable and sustainable. They are enablers, not gatekeepers. The primary success metrics for each discipline reveal their true focus. A thriving DevOps culture looks for high deployment frequency and low lead time for changes. SREs live and die by their SLOs, error budgets, and metrics like mean time to recovery, or MTTR. Platform engineering, serving developers, measures success differently. They track the adoption rate of their platform, developer satisfaction scores, and the time it takes for a new engineer to get their first service to production. So, how do they coexist in a modern organization? It's a symbiotic relationship. The platform engineering team builds and maintains the IDP, the paved road. Developers use this platform to practice DevOps, owning their services from code to production. And the SRE team? They are expert consultants on reliability for the entire system. They might embed with teams, define SLO standards for the platform itself, and handle the most complex systemic incidents that cross service boundaries. The right choice depends on your specific bottleneck. If your teams are siloed and handoffs are slow, your biggest problem is cultural. Focus on DevOps principles first. If your production environment is unstable and incidents are constant, you need the operational rigor of SRE to stabilize things. And if your developers are spending more time configuring infrastructure than writing code, your bottleneck is cognitive load. It's time to invest in a platform engineering team. In the end, DevOps, SRE, and platform engineering aren't competing paradigms. They are an evolutionary chain. DevOps provided the cultural North Star. SRE brought engineering discipline to reliability. And platform engineering scales these principles by creating an environment where developers can thrive. The goal is the same: to deliver value to users securely, quickly, and reliably. Understanding how these functions work together is the key to building a truly elite engineering organization.